Hey guys, and welcome to a video on Scratch 2 desktop app. Today I'm just going to be playing around with this and seeing what I can do with my laptop. So here we go. So we got our little guy here. I forget how to use this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. So if we drag that into there, we get him to move 15 steps. Okay, go. Go. Move 15 steps, damn it. Okay. Turn 90 degrees. And then turn the other way 180 degrees. Okay, so then point towards mouse pointer, I guess. Yeah, I guess. Let's see if that works. Let's move him back. Go forward. What is this? Okay, let's have a look. Tips, I guess. Okay, let's close that. Let's leave this like this. So, what we need to do is we need this to last longer. So, yeah, if on edge bounce. If on edge bounce, okay, take that off. You know what? We are going to get rid of that. Let's just have a look here because we can choose someone. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna have some fun. Airplane. Let me choose an airplane. This is so glitchy. I don't know if this works. Yeah, not responding. Go up. Damn it. It's not responding. Oh god. There we go. Click the airplane. Come on. Alright, so we got an airplane now. This airplane is awesome. Look at this guy. Right, so we're gonna get rid of him. In fact, yeah, so delete him. So we've got our airplane now. We are going to... yes, when this is clicked... Actually, no. When space is clicked, move 10 steps. Alright. Move 10 steps. Looks, what can we do? Sound. Okay. Data. I'm just looking at all this. Events. Control. repeat, wait, no, right, repeat that when spacebar is continued. Awesome. So basically, alright, and then, oh, forever. No, what did I do? Oh, no. Forever, motion, move, 10 steps. Go back, and then connect that. There it goes. Oh my god, no. No, go away. We're not gonna do it. If so, forever, go away. Repeat there. Move. 30 steps. If then, so it's sensing. Answer, so what's your, ask what's your name. Let's get rid of that, and then control. Let's have a look. Alright. When, see what we can choose here. Alright, when, so basically it's going to ask what's your name when the S key is thing, so, and I'll write my name, Daniel. Alright, the answer is Daniel, and then wait, sensing, and wait, ask what's your name, and wait. Alright, what else? Then, alright, then wait, and then when, then the answer. Alright, then operators, what's this, more blocks. Oh, make a block. Options. So, basically, when, so because we want that to go away, when S key is ask what's your name, so we can put that, and then we could have a grammar Nazi right there. What's your name? Question mark. And for 20 seconds. Okay. didn't work. Let's get rid of that. Anyway, ask what's your name. You know what? No. Let's get rid of that. Let's not get rid of that one though. So basically, okay, so control. Alright, sensing. Sensing. Alright, no, let's not have a timer. Let's put operators. Alright, data. No. Pen. Sound. Wait, sense. Wait, control. Alright. When the P button is pressed, stop this script. So P would stop that script. Answer, you can go away. What else should we do? Looks. Okay, wait, costumes. Okay, let's, actually no, sounds. No, script. Alright, events. When backdrop switch, okay, when let's get rid of that. Alright, so so basically if I put him there, wait, no. You basically want to go as fast as you can. Alright, let's put the airplane here. Wait, if I hold that down, okay. Come back here, alright. Wait, so W to go forward, so when W's pressed, go forward, okay. When, so when S is pressed, move 10 steps. Move 10 step. Wait, turn when S is pressed. Oh my god. Direction. No, wait. Go to. Point in direction wait, so let's try S. Down. That's not what we want to do. W. No. Oh, god damn this. Wait, so forward. So basically, so we need to. So S, A. When A is pressed, move, point in direction, left, so A. Come on. Alright, so basically A would go that way. A would go backwards, so we want to change that to S. And then that's going down there, so if it's facing that way going forward, that's going to the right, so we want D, so D, and then W, no, wait, W should be 20 steps, 20, alright, let's move him back up here, W, okay, we want that repeat thing, control, repeat, back to motion. So then if I do that, and then wait, when A is, wait, no, S, so that would, wait, no, wait, where's S go? S goes backwards, W goes forwards. Oh my god. So WD goes that way, S that way, W that way. We haven't got an A, so A would be going to the left. So A would be going up. So when A is pressed, point in direction up and move 10 steps along with repeat. So A, yep, but then when W is pressed, so we need to fix this part here, point in direction, so that way, so that would be right, so W, wait, yeah, point in direction 90, anyone else got 90? No, let's get rid of that. Yep, boom, we've done it, lads. Actually, I'm going to change something. So D is going forward. D. A is up, so we want to change that to W. S. S is going backwards, we want to change that to A. And then D was I believe, going that way, so that would be S. No. S. Boom. So D is forward, up. Basically, I'm just going backwards here. We want to change everyone to 20. So yeah, this is the basics so far. We've got that, going backwards, going down, going up. We've got all that sorted. Oh, sorry about that. I think we're gonna end the episode here. If you guys want to see what happens next, then leave a comment, leave a like, and all sorts. And yeah, subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.